sunrise. Man. Alright. It's a little windy. Oh no, we're gonna try. Might be a little too windy for me. I don't know. Look at that, it's just blowing the air. Yeah. And I'm in this. Come on, baby. What's going on? No power. Oh no. What the hell? Oh, fuck. Okay. What happened here? Oh, man. Now we go. There we go. Okay, that'll be good. Oh. Damn. Oh, there. Come on. Dude. Sometimes I can catch them in here, but not all the time. It's just like a little cove. Every now and then I'll get a slot in here, but it's usually only one if I get one. Here and go to the next spot. Tough day. Cruising. Not so windy in here, but the wind's coming from that direction, I think. I'm getting blocked. Try to make it out here and get in one of these creeks and get out of the wind. If you can, I don't know. It's supposed to be low tide, but I think the wind's kind of keeping the water in a little bit.
But I got a dream that I wanna show. Grammys to hit some more. Sickers are killing me so tell all my fans I love you the most. What's the point if you are right for me? Yeah. Hey, you know I would ride for you. Baby, we just side with me. Yeah. Let me show you what I've been through. What's the point if you are right?
on my trolling motor though. Small red. What is it? Oh, baby. Mini. Look at that. Oh my god. That's like the smallest red I think I've ever caught. One of them. Well, okay. Saw a little baby shrimp popping in here, so that's what they're eating back in here anyway. Looks like there might be something else going on over there. Call that one right in there. Little cove. Let's see if we can get another one. The wind is horrible today. Man, this is tough, man. Tough fishing. Oh, got something. Little small nibble. Damn it. It's not where I wanted to cast. Something had it. Maybe a little flounder. I was holding on to it and wasn't moving. Might have been a flounder. Oh, got him. Another little baby, but at least it's a damn fish. I'll take it. On a day like this, a little small baby, but we will take that. And again, the net. The salty net. This fucking lure just killed it. Just killed it. Another one. Got another one. Oh, what is this? What in the world? Oh, well, these things right here are silver perch or something. I don't know what the hell they are. They are aggravating. Okay, what do we got going on here? That is, looks like a gator slide right there. See that? It's definitely 100% a gator slide. I have seen a big one back here before. And that's probably his home. And I left my pistol at the house. Nice. There's gotta be a good sized red swimming around here, you would think. Maybe not. This water's so murky, dude. I'm on a fucking stick. Wow. Okay, man. This is good. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm trying, man, but man, this is not looking good for me. Wow, what a cast, dude. What a cast. Great job.
Now it's for my dogs, you ain't getting no love now. Tryna make some shake in the club now. Tryna get some fucking dubs in the touchdown. It's for my dogs, you ain't getting no love now. What's the point if you are out for me? Yeah. Hey, you know I would ride for you. Baby, would you slide with me? Yeah. Let me show you what I've been through. What's the point if you are out for me? Yeah. Hey, you know I would ride for you. Baby, would you slide with me? Yeah. Let me show you what I've been through. Old days riding in my Chevy.
Oh. What's that? Come on, get it. Damn, missed him. Could have been a red, could have not. Who knows? Whatever it was, I missed him. Something. What the fuck is this? Little red way back here, dude. That's sick. I know he's little, but man, that's, I mean, I'm so far back. Wow. That's crazy, bro. Jeez. I know it's a little guy, but man, that's cool. I'm way back. Look where, look. You gotta. That's pretty cool.
It's for my dogs, you ain't getting no love now. Tryna make some shake in the club now. Tryna get some fucking dubs in the touchdown. It's for my dogs, you ain't getting no love now. What's the point if you are out for me? Yeah. Hey, you know I would ride for you. Baby, we just out with me. Yeah. Let me show you what I've been through. What's the point if you are out with me? Yeah. Hey, you know I would ride for you. Baby, we just out with me. Yeah. Let me show you what I've been through. Old days riding in my Chevy, but I changed you. You changed me.
You gotta make some accurate casts back here, boy. Good. Oh God, I just had another one. Stuck. See if we can get through here. Yep, there it is. We used to be able to go through there. No, I don't know. It's pretty cool. Oh shit. Well, there you go. There you go, Joe. That's what it looks like.